Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Today I'll be making a yellow cake. So I'm using a golden butter cake mix. I'm just pouring it into the bowl, adding some butter, water, vanilla extract, 3 eggs, and then I'm gonna mix everything up. Once I was done mixing, I just went ahead and got a pan, put some butter in it so I could pour the cake mix in and put it in the oven. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you hit that like button. So I'm just trying to smooth out the mix. Okay, so once I took the cake out the oven, I'm just going to be putting some buttercream frosting on top. Now that it's done, I'm just going to be cutting me a piece of cake. When I was cutting the cake, I noticed it was so soft, so I know it's about to be good. Make sure you subscribe to my channel.